In this video, I want to talk about how you can change your Shopify URL or domain as it's otherwise called. And the way that you can do this is pretty simple, guys. What you want to do is head over to your admin dashboard, so admin.shopify.com. Make sure you select the correct store, and then from in here, you want to click on settings. Now you should be able to see the correct store here. And then what you want to do is head to domains. Inside of domains, you should see the one that you're currently using. So this is your domain for your store or for my store. I can change it here to a new Shopify domain, or I can change it to a custom domain. So I can buy a new domain, or if I already bought one, I can connect it. So you need to buy a domain, usually from Namecheap or GoDaddy. These websites are really cheap for domains. Or you can just click on the buy new domain button here and it will show you how to do it. Once you've bought the domain, you want to connect it to your store, so connect it. And you will now have a new URL for your store. So this is how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.